guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, Richards Bay 0. I'm joined by the man in Gucci.
Stibo, how's it, Brian? Stibo, let's say condolences to the family Gababu Fantisi, Makalanjalo.
Now I can
you know, a comrade that was always with us in Bulama game. And then we are encouraging all the Pirate supporters that on the 21st of March, a funeral yake will be held at Sasolburg in the Free State. So let's gather the numbers and pay our contribution because we know Guti that was a soldier. Without any enemies.
All the time.
Stibo, you see, this is a time where we need to be calm as Pirate supporters.
Sure, Prachi.
The boys are left with 9 games. Only 9 games. Now, I want to give you a scenario. You see, if you have a child, like ourselves who are having children, your child cannot be tormented outside. And be tormented in a house as well.
That's true.
Because moments anjalo mphendula inyawubi. So I'm actually referring to an incident that occurred here. I'm saying to the fans, but this is a time where we're supposed to give these guys the ultimate support and unwavering support. Akusona isikhathi manje sokuthi sifuna ukugxeka le player, sifuna ukukhomba usibisi, sifuna ukukhomba ubani bani. And even if we were to say let's change Sibisi, this is not the time where you are going to change personnels now. Too late, Tibos. Too late. We're left with 9 games for us to clinch this thing. So we can see the finish line, some of us. And if I were to go back, Stibo, under your favorite coach, teams like this, we couldn't beat them. Unprovoked, Pirates will lose to such opponents, small opponents like this. You saw the game that we played Polokwane. We grinded for results. So I'm saying much as we can criticize the coach, but at this particular juncture, Stibo, Pirates is leading Sundowns. That's a historic moment. And Sundowns is shivering wherever they are. Because previously ngalesikhathi Sundowns sesishiya ngaboma 13 points. Right? Pirates will be number 2, sesidlalela into engekho. But Sundowns will be very far. In fact, the league will be finalized ngalesikhathi. So we need to stay calm because mas panikisa nalamajit. So I'm saying this is a historic moment for Orlando Pirates after a very long time. Singayenzi lento esiyenzayo. Pirates yanamhlanje iyakwazi ukugrinda for results. Even against the small teams, Pirates yakwazi ukuthi win because your Pirates will win against Chiefs, you win against Sundowns and collapse mayidlala Richards Bay or idlala nemakesi ikhiphe kuboma Black Label Cup. So I'm saying Pirates faithfuls, let's be grateful for ukuthi at least for now team ithathe a bold step yokuthi today we are number 1 in a log. Sundowns is number 2 and Sundowns is panicking. Going back to ukubuwa kwama players. I'm saying asiyeke. It's not our culture. I don't know mina ukuthi buyaphi. Yes, we are frustrated ngoba nathi we are not used to this kind of a situation. So ukuthi namhlanje we'll find ourselves sitting at position 1. But we are here and we can see the finish line. We're already there. So abafana bethu basalelwe ama game awu9. I'm saying let's give them a support. Saturday we are also here. Sibanikeza le support ebayifunayo. So I'm saying support us wherever you are. South Africa yonke. Asibuyeni futhi size la esigodini eArena on Saturday because victory is certain. A win is a win, Stibo. This is 3 points. Sitholile 3 points. So I'm saying Orlando Pirates, congratulations. Le league seyathatha ene asuki. Siyabonga, Stibo.
Thank you, Brother.